Hey guys, so I'm back and I'm with another Stitch Fix. Now, since it's quarantine and some of us are working from home, you might hear some noises from the other room. Just try your best to ignore them. I'll see what I can do in editing as far as editing them out. But let's go ahead and dive on in. So it's May now, and normally I get my Stitch Fixes like right around the first of the month. In fact, sometimes they even send them to me like at the end of the previous month or the beginning of the next month. But because of COVID and everything's been a little delayed. So for those of you who aren't aware, Stitch Fix is a subscription clothing service. Depending on what your needs are or what your wants are, maybe more accurate for some of you guys, you can get these curated clothing boxes sent to you once a month, multiple times a month, maybe every couple of months, or just for special occasions. They kind of are able to do it all. You get assigned a stylist and you fill out a style quiz with what you like, your sizes, what doesn't kind of work for your body type, and depending on what they have, they will actually send you a box with 5 items, and you don't have to keep everything. Whatever you don't like, you can send back in an envelope. So let's take a look at this bundle. Looks like we got maybe some shorts. I don't really know. But it does look like we have a return of maybe the 101 Dalmatians theme right here. Let's look at our card and see what our stylist has to say. Take a peek. Oh, hello. So, hey there, Amanda. Happy 5th fix. I hope this fix finds you well and brings you a smile. Let's dive on into this month's box with the Paper Moon Cami. It's in a trendy spotted print, 101 Dalmatians, and perfect for that quarantine chic look. Okay, pause. I had no idea, like, we've been in quarantine, we're not really going anywhere. The state of Texas is starting to open back up, but we've been extra cautious and have only continued to go out for mostly just groceries as much as we can, just because COVID is still a thing, as much as we all want it to not be a thing. So I wrote something along the lines of like, a quarantine chic look, and interpret that as you will. I gave Monique a lot of freedom for this box. If I had been smart, I realized after I had like said I wanted quarantine chic, whatever that's supposed to mean, I realized I really needed some like new shorts to actually fit in me, and maybe some new like summer tops that would work really well for Texas summers. So we'll see if our stylist was able to read my mind. We'll see if we have Monique again. Let's see, back to her note. Try it out with a pair of white jeans for a cute and casual outfit. Since you loved the jumpsuit in your last box, I chose the Kaylee jumpsuit to try too. Another jumpsuit. How do you like the crop style? Let me know when you check out. The weather's getting warmer, so I included the Just USA denim shorts to keep cool. I thought they'd look fabulous with the West Key tie bottom top. Have fun trying everything on and mixing these items with your Stitch Fix faves. I look forward to seeing you and what you think of your fix. XO Monique. So I do have Monique again, and I've had her for 3 fixes now. And so far, since I'm relatively new to Stitch Fix, I've been letting them decide whether or not I should get a different stylist or a new stylist. Just kind of playing the field. I'm not saying I have commitment issues, but you know, either way, Monique's been doing really good so far. This is my 3rd fix, I believe, with her. So I look forward to see what she sent me. It looks pretty cute, the stuff on the card. This is the invoice, and there is nothing over $60, so this could be a good thing. Let's dive on in. And the first thing I'm seeing is what I am affectionately calling our 101 Dalmatians top. Okay, it looks like spaghetti strap. Oh, we got a oopsie here with the tags. So it's a spaghetti strap top, and there's a cute little tie right there. It is a little sheer. I really just need to invest in like a nude color bra, honestly. We'll have to see how this looks, whether or not I can wear this without wearing something underneath it, or if it's gonna be indecent or what. But that is pretty cute. I'm excited about that. The next thing I see is a good floral print something. I do love me floral print. I those daily little like style quizzes that you take on Stitch Fix. I've been loving a lot of floral lately. Oh, so it's a dress. Oh, this is cute. Oh my goodness. It's like the perfect little like spring summer dress. And it's double layered, so like while the fabric's initially sheer, it's double layered so it's not too sheer, and it looks like it's fit and flare. So I look forward to trying this on. The next thing I see are these a pair of, no, it's a top. I thought it might be a pair of shorts. Oh, it looks just like a nice light cottony top. And there are a couple buttons down here, and it's a drawstring bottom. So I'm guessing she sent me this just because that one top I tried on last month, the 101 Dalmatians top from last month, I had some issues with not being able to tie like tight enough to make it look more flattering on myself. So maybe that's why she sent that piece. So this must be the jumpsuit she was discussing. And it's a nice like, it's not quite lavender. I feel like it's not light enough to be a lavender, but it's pretty close to the same color that I'm wearing today, a little bit lighter. It has a nice thick draw band. I'm just making up words now. It has a band across the middle here, and it does have a tie on the side. And she said something about it being cropped, which I don't know if that's just because I need them in short because of my little legs or what. So we'll have to try that on and see if that works. I love that jumpsuit. I ended up keeping, I can't remember if it was last month's Stitch Fix or the one before. I love that thing to death. It is so cozy. There are some days where I've just been like low-key wearing them as like comfy around the house pajamas clothes, but you can also like dress it up for a nice occasion, and I love that thing. I love that thing so much. Anyways, let's look at our last item, which are a pair of shorts. So actually, I'm pretty happy about these because like I said, I do need a good pair of shorts. Let's see if these are able to fit around my thighs, because my thighs, they were already a little thick. Quarantine has not helped. Oh, there's tissue paper inside here. I could not figure out what that crinkly sound was. Anyways, I'll see you guys in just a second while I go try this stuff on. So let's go ahead and dive on into this look. So these are the shorts they sent. I actually really like these shorts. They do get a little high right here. There's like a little indent thing right here, but I love the shorts. These are super cute and they fit super well with my thunder thighs, if you will. And then I paired it with the 101 Dalmatians top. I don't actually know what it's supposed to be called anymore. I'm just calling it the 101 Dalmatians top. I actually really like this top. It's kind of loose, it's kind of slinky. I paired it with my bra that has a lace detail on the back. That's kind of like, it has bralette vibes with it. I just don't know how I feel about the fact that it's really sheer in the front and you can actually see underneath. Which granted, that's probably supposed to be the look, but I can have a lot of fun with this. This is a really cute top and I like it. So here's the other top she sent me, paired with the shorts that she sent me. So I'm kind of busted out up top, and I tried to undo these buttons, except I can't. Like, these are permanently in place there unless I did some handiwork of my own and decided to actually make them the type of buttons where I could unbutton this. But that sounds like a lot of work, and I'm not, like, I can do a little bit of sewing, but I'm not super skilled at it. So I like the silhouette of it, and I do love these types of tops. I just don't think this one quite works for me. And I do like the little drawstring down here. I didn't realize it, but this is actually a band of elastic. So I do like that part. I just wish I could have more of a V-neck here. But I ain't mad. I just probably won't be keeping it. So here is the dress. I am in love with this dress. I am correct in that it's the fit and flare style. And guess what? It has pockets. It fits incredibly well, but it's also super comfortable. I feel a little bit like Julie Andrews in The Sound of Music with this nice floral print, and also it does that, so obviously that's always a benefit. So this dress is probably cheaper, I'm not gonna lie. It's a cute dress. Now let's go see what the jumpsuit looks like. So here is the jumpsuit. So far, I really like it from about like here up. That part, amazing. Love it. It's great, 100%. What Monique must have meant by the little cropped thing, I'll go ahead and pan down to my legs here in a minute, but it's a little bit shorter. So it can be a little bit harder to see, but it cuts off right around here. And to me, it's not the most flattering look in my opinion, just because I have some thick calves. Like, I got a lot of German lady jeans all over this, and I just have really thick calves that, while it's great, I've never sprained an ankle, and I've always been really muscular in my legs. I just don't think it looks flattering in things that are cropped there per se, or AQs. I feel like are really hard for me to like, just because they're so thick. And then when I do buy boots that are like to the knee length, I usually have to get something that accounts for how thick my calves are. So I love the top half of this, not super love the bottom half of this. That's the end of this story. Okay, let's go over this invoice and some final thoughts. So that blue and white kind of cotton top that I couldn't button down anymore, that was $38. I already kind of said I wasn't super interested in that top, just because I would have to do some basic surgery work to it to make it work, in my opinion, for my body type. So that one will be going back for sure. The other top that she sent me, the 101 Dalmatians top, that is also $38. I have mixed feelings about it. I think it's really cute and I think it's really flattering. I just don't know how I feel about being able to see my bra underneath. And I need to invest in a good nude bra anyway, especially for this time of year. So it might just be a matter of buying one of those, just because that top is super cute. And it's one of the cheapest items they've ever sent me. The shorts are $44. Love those. I will 100% be keeping those shorts. I have a hard time finding shorts that fit around my thighs and around my badonkadonk, so very happy with those, Monique, if you're even watching. Anyways, this jumpsuit is $58. I think I'm gonna have to send this back. I really love the top half, but the bottom half just does not work for me. And then the dress was also $58. I love that dress. If I were to keep anything from this fix, it would for sure be the shorts and the dress. I'll just kind of have to see what my monthly clothing budget is at. If I were, so everything was $236. If you buy everything, you get a 25% discount, which that will not be happening for this box, unfortunately. So basically, if I keep the shorts and the dress, it's gonna be a little over $100, not including the $20 styling fee, which gets automatically deducted from anything you keep. So, yeah, which is gonna be annoying because if I kept everything, it'd only be $157. But I don't love everything and I want to keep things that I don't love. Anyways, I'll have to figure this stuff out. If you guys are still watching, you made it to this point, comment down below what you think I should keep, what you think I should send back, and if you enjoyed this video, consider doing the things that allergies. Consider doing the things that the YouTube algorithm likes that would promote my video to other people, such as liking it or commenting, etc. Sharing it with your friends. You know, I think I'm pretty cool. If you think I'm pretty cool, maybe your friends think I'm pretty cool. I actually don't think I'm pretty cool. I'm kind of a dork. Anyways, thanks so much for watching and stay safe.